It is really easy to make 1 crore a year. You see, when I was in a job, I used to think that 1 crore is such a big amount, 𝘀𝗵𝗿𝗲𝗍𝗍. And I never became a crorepati even after working for 16 years. But I understood this one thing, that making a 1 crore today has become a joke. Do you know why? Because how much is 1 crore? 8 lakh something a month? Now think about how can you make 8 lakh a month? In a job for sure is not possible. It takes almost whole life or so many years before you reach there. But in business, it is really easy to make. Because think about if you're adding value to people, whatever product, service that you have, let's say you have 1 lakh price point for a product or service that you have. All you need to do is get 100 clients. That will make you 1 crore. But the question is, most of the people are still not aware that they can become a crorepati in less than 1 year. There is a step-by-step blueprint that I've created for myself which made me crorepati in just 1 year. Ram Babu became crorepati, Parul Khod became crorepati, Anju Chaudhary, Shruti Deshpande and so many became crorepati in less than 12 months. There is a process called Passionpreneur Blueprint. And I want to share that with you. But you know what? I need 3 hours of your time. Are you ready? If you are ready, then click the link, join the webinar. My name is Dev Gadhvi. I'm India's first Passionpreneur mentor, twice best-selling author. And I'm on a mission to create hundreds, thousands and millions of crorepatis. And I hope you're one of them. Click the link and join the webinar. I'll see you there.
I was in the lowest point of my life, but because of Dev sir and his words, I'm here right now and I overcome that point.
My perspective towards seeing the business has changed. It's no more making money, but it's more like serving peoples.
People who haven't yet tasted the Passionpreneur movement or the blood, guys, you don't know what living life is all about yet.